I added a light bar to my setup and I swapped out the stock wheels on my chair for some rollerblade style ones. About $75 for both. And honestly, I wish people would have been told me about the monitor light and these wheels. So here's what we're working with. First, this monitor light arm is about $53. It sits right on top of your monitor. There's no glare and it warms up your desk space. Second, these rubber caster wheels on this chair. They run you about $21 and it's easy to replace with the stock cheap plastic wheels that come with most chairs. There's no special install for them. You don't need any tools really. But let me show y'all how both these things deliver. All right, setting it up is easy. I have it hooked up to the power. You just go behind your desk. Make sure this little lip catches the front of your monitor, your screen, and then pull that weight towards the monitor. It's gonna stay in place. Then you turn it on. It lights up your desk area very nice. All right, so this is how it looks in a darker environment. As you can see, it's daytime right now, so I have close the blinds. I got the remote right here. I'll show y'all a better look at that after I show you the settings. Then you hit the plus button. You got 1, 2, 3, or brightness settings. And then you can also change the warm or coolness of the light. So you got super warm, a little bit more cooler, cool, super cool, and then turn it off. Turn it back on. You could turn off the RGB lights in the back and go through all the settings. I like a red. It looks like a mango. You got green and blue, blue and yellow, cyan and yellow, cyan pinkish. I guess that's like pink and white. I don't know what that is. Well, I think that's going through the whole rainbow. Let's take a look. I'll see it on my hand better. I'm also going to show you how it looks with the screens on. Red. I guess I was like orange. That's red. Green and yellow. We're back to cyan, but you can also, like I said, you can turn that off, or you can turn the front light off and just turn the back lights on. Just gonna flip through those real quick. So let me show you how it looks with the monitors actually on. Turn my PC on right quick, or I'm editing this video. I'm gonna add this footage on there, but that's how it looks. Let me show y'all the remote. So the remote, this glossy finish on it. You get a lot of fingerprints. Right here you have your on/off button. Right here you have your RGB on/off button. Here's your brightness. You got to click this one on the left. And here's the warmth. So you got 4 settings for the color, 4 settings for the brightness. Batteries do come included on here, and it's 3 AA's. Now let me show you the wheels. All right, as y'all can see, installation is real easy. You just pop the old wheels off, pop the new wheels on, and honestly, it saves your floor if you got hardwood. And I heard that they're real good on carpet as well, but I don't have any carpet to test them out. But listen to how they sound now. Now, what could be better? And honestly, I'm just nitpicking here, but on the remote, I wish there was actually real buttons on this controller. I just feel like it would be nice to be able to feel what you're actually pressing, or actually press down and not just be a little touch sensitive surface. Then another thing is really nothing bad with it, but if you look here, if I turn the light on, 1, 2, 3, you get 4 adjustments for the brightness. I have all these buttons right here. You know, it could have gave us 8 at least. I wish it had a little bit more adjusting power, or maybe like a slide. But that's just me nitpicking. For the wheels, what could be better? I honestly don't know. What could be better? One of y'all let me know down in the comments what could be better, because I love these wheels. For my final verdict, are these 2 things worth the upgrade? Yes, they are. It's a $75 combo. These wheels cost $20. I am never ever gonna have a chair that doesn't have these wheels. It honestly blew my mind. It's literally a night and day difference between the stock wheels and the rubber, like rollerblade style wheels. It's like you're just floating on clouds. It's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, sorry. I actually been to Italy and never heard nobody or saw anybody do this. The light bar just adds a nice touch to your desk. Nice little ambient lighting. You can see what's going on your desk. The background RGB colors, I use it a lot. I use it all the time. And it just makes your setup look so much more premium just with a simple light bar. It's crazy, honestly. It looks good. It's got some functionality to it. So if you want to check out the price on these 2 items, links are going to be down in the description. Make sure you click on them. They got different styles of light bars. I recommend this one. I had the same brand, but the one without the remote, it works just as well, but you do have to reach up on the actual bar and touch both sides. I just feel like the remote's quicker. You just reach over, click, click. If you found the video helpful, give it a like. It helps out the channel a lot. I appreciate every single one of y'all. I put out a video every week using my own money to show y'all the things that I have in case you're looking to buy that same thing. So if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 100 subs, and at 100 subs, y'all know I'm giving away this KTC monitor. I'm going to be putting it back inside its original box, and it'll be ready to get shipped to one of y'all. More details to come once we hit that 100 subscribers, so stay tuned. And y'all already know, like always, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all are freaking amazing.